50 pesos near yen talk around say to enum nisa but we lorry fan there and they are buy there no passenger for the full car kura konya na passenger betra so kura no so the nyama instead of the number of passengers no so the nyama ono na di ne hu te nyama so the two boots 2 city kura na obi tra city ni so akwa 7 city but obeka say dey on the 2 city uka bia unti aseti dava for the say from na ye ko from sa ye ni kama for bia ni wa kasa mai ye ni kama for u yes sia obeba o kan na ba dey we police na ko jira kwan so na ochi but onu se ne open na otini ochi kitikiti ne ati egure no ade so ye ni yeti se bibia ba from but watching kwa the emba from koko ukoto koko a this we talk koko by 15 cities 20 cities and said already enti ye ni kama for enti se ha na be ko ni sa
me anope ade me ba minim seni just me time mo je me 5 cd die omonto omobo kakra sanse no ewia se de entade mo ga san san de lori fe no se abatu mu eni ye bewu ese abane ya doro ni etoma ya ni etoma ntie pa na che onya abotere kakra ma ye wa eni mo se ya tum ba bia e mani bia so nya Ghana na we dia ka ba ne boy kakra ye titunu die ye se mo betu ati ase e se ba bia ya tum die Ghana ye nche obia tie so etu ye e monto mo kakra no pe kwa mi tino wo ayi se nusu se isa pase se ne kwa petu na mse ye bitu wo Ghana de nyame asimpo se ode na no akasa tie ba ye mse be ba fo wa ye ho ambo ayi nke kakra kwa pa cho
we facho mantu me ba de 45 na facho taifa 4 cities 50 pesos omutu mu dia be ha ye bete mo muntu mu kese at least 5 cities for but
if you're Shaman Estate, same for 4 cities 50 pesos, still the same.
All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM Forgotten Country, exactly 4 minutes more to 4 o'clock right here on Forgotten Country. Basabre, and then when we return, we'll be getting into these 2 vex matters right here. Of course, on our show this afternoon, live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. You know that my guests are already seated. Gifty speaks for the NDC, and then Minia Benjamin Asari also speaks for the New Patriotic Party. They are here so we can do justice to the Vex Matters right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Now, maybe some will say, we are drabini, we are passenger. Lorry first, no, Adaba for no tumana. And that's what we do. We are back after this break.
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what do be a new? Se me feel London, echo US. Na no kwa wo kura from me ba mamania. Na papa mo hot say. Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi, echo bo sempene mo. De woton adansi ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Echo ba, mesi wo bo aduma kura sre kane no a. Na wo dro US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Hey papa, US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited agi ba bia. Womo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi ho niam dia. Obia se na ko jejesi company limited. Na matese wo bi depo kasie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, eye no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Hey, a kuoba sempre mono. Onye mereda. She, we kura no miensa mua ene obi en foforo yawo. Ba ko obu akwase paase kumase. Ene ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obi ase na kodwogasi eye bemaba e wo dansi mu. Wato cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just said about dance roll. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina so eye tufo bo. Wudu kuka mu a, wo ko ja free. Akra wi ka so depo ene pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wo sa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wo sa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebi so magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwiso Akra road Femeso opposite Alhaji Salia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesati Kwambo.
Oyunyakupundi for Wastrano Eweye Brim. ɛnam ne nsa so ama onyankopɔn reyɛ ahonwadeɛ pii.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
Wini butai teacher Asompa First Service ɛwɔ hɔ ma yɛn ɛnyɛ TV program kɛkɛ ɛyɛ bra ɔsoro ne asase hyia ɛyɛ bra onyankopɔn kasa kyerɛ ne mma.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ɛmma Asompa First Service ɛntwa wo ho nkɔda ɛyɛ dwada kosi efiada anɔpa no num kosi anɔpa no nsia. Afa woda ne nyinaa hyɛ Awurade nsa na Awurade bɛyɛ.
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, ena so biem.
Time eba me hye ya me ka se yi ba ko yi. Ani wayi mi ensen.
Bra, sanya time eba me hye esia gimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time eba me hye me ka se me di wa dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time eba mixture.
Enye enu nku o, de na nu moto a wontimi ani die no. Time eba mixture duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuo de wo ma akwada no fo. Ene akwada woni fie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obato aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakɔ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam heba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba ko so wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Ene herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu ako.
FDA aje adwade nkratoa yi atu.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o. Ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e twa nani a. Hajia special local foods ewo hacho atomic kwan so ho no. De enti e fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no wo de aye aduane se eya abonti na aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63599921 024 63599921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them 21st clinic eye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji se 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so ufra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na se 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot, just bread and pastries say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana sa de sepe.
3 Ghana sa de sepe.
No mo to dokono wo monten so. Eno no mo tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo de free. Na ye customize na maw. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni aya ma wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obianim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and you deserve Yawahu, just bakery, and what do commercial bank in Chenwa, and to Fraying, and was 025 60688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mouth, never said what was said, we say pen and pepper. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and yeah, hot.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, ne SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni na share radensa. Na erade beye.
Exactly 5 minutes after 4. A very good afternoon to you once again. SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. So near Menemo Kasei, Benjamin Asari, Atanase Okasama, NPP Amanyoku, no gifty. So Ekasama NDC Amanyoku. Yabedama se pass and nevi or more. Akan Sawaha, Yeni oni bidin komo. But my minka say, Yana bought for Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Yabedama say, Sasana, 21st Clinic. We want to say a big thank you to you. Time Herbal Mesha, Yabedama say, Sasana, RSYD Novigi Studios. Moso, Yabedama say, send away. Maso Asana, Yadi, Jumedi, Brewo. But Ben, BGDP say, Upe, a football power. Say Ghana World Cup aye babekoi. But GDP say you follow the development. Coach na release a 26-man squad. GDP say Ghana. You betimi aye nkunya bi wo World Cup ye bekoi.
A prof me das menche ausron menche T4 menche gift ne ya ehia mu hanyina. Prof ye bekoi anim pa.
Ye bekoi anim.
Menam catcho. Don't underestimate Ghana. When
we are Ghana in
no. Me casa. Me say, never try to underestimate Ghana when it comes to the World Cup or African Cup. Me try what they
underestimation.
Yes, and try.
Mamin Bissau. Within the last 8 months, 8 years, 7 years, 10 years. Ghana's performance on the international level. You share your teams a kuku daya ye ni oni share Ghana ye more than bonnet saying.
No, you're solid. Okay, ye fe okay, ye fe. Also 10 years as I'm now okay. Me boy. Time wa you share no ye.
Me see 10 years so.
So from when it comes to World Cup tournament. You share the World Cup tournament. Your first time when I am called World Cup crowda. You qualify ya kwa manfo ebu ya bam so Ghana there. You nko duru baby ano.
2006.
Yes, that time no. Now you call ranking na US crowd no that number is it 4. Check A1. Some crop ni nyina no mo your group. Obia ensusu da se Ghana kra betimi no mo abo te se ne ote hanuma ye ka se ye kobo friendly match ye ne waves o ka tell se ye kwaje 5 US ni ye se ye kwaje 10 check no obia nim se check be say team no obe spell Ghana din kra de amaye ba ye ko ye de na si ye qualify from your group stage some crofuni nyina ye hye wo mo enti time wa Ghana for be yo mo adwen say team wa ye de call World Cup enye no sa season no kra no and ye perform check na we Satam na esien num gina omo na so asamo agya mu gina omo na so ye wakodwa asamo anom no ye call ye second World Cup go do say
asamo na kan the only call South Africa no 2010 and 2010 no hwe be ye do ye no
sentina make
ye do quarter finals
no entina make a choice say
asamo na okay
oh hold on oh prof
2010
Yeah,
the likes of Sule, Ali Muntari.
Yeah, omo ani edu omo
Asamoah.
Omo ani edu omo start World Cup aye call ya edu omo sa call South Africa. The same squad. South squad in the call 2010. The same squad in the call South Africa.
There be some no call 2010 no squad na me bobo no. Omo no sa call 2014.
The lives of Sule Muntali. No ejinam. Mike Essien.
And na Brazil.
No ejinam. Omo mi enu nyina no omu ejinam. Asamoah no ejinam. Kodwa Asamoah no ejinam. Stephen Appiah no ejinam. John Mensah defender no ejinam. John Prince no ejinam. Say two section na dey call World Cup both Brazil and South Africa ni nyina. Na these key players no omo ka ho.
Brazil no kra no it's a Brazil no say yentimi an qualify kra amma you
qualify from group
Brazil you qualify from groups they be qualify from group
which one you qualify from
Brazil yenya 1 point
first work
anya hona Sule Ali Muntari mu any Kevin Prince Boateng Sansan because the two notorious boys in the team
your first World Cup no ye group stage
there be round 16
second one no PROF or confusing me 2014 assembly say why your worst performance and no your worst performance say you got 3 times meboa your fourth one ye koi your fourth one ye koi so the second one first one it was good first one they okay
me undi World Cup games nature
me follow kakra fine because me football there me pepper
but nyabotre o pepper but do follow kakra
enye tu some enye sports journalist nti omo de ene so omo yes sports no me nka ho ye de titem fichire ne ehwe bi ne eti ba me no anytime bia ye ka se Ghana performance enye na World Cup aye ko na enkodu ba bia no sata no na da bia yi what you say enti no me momu de me wo gidie ma papa se game na aye be koso no nyame ya aduma 2-3 weeks time aye kwa akobobo no ade aye be make difference
and you be qualify from the group stage
me say you be qualify don't one more ayafo omo say si amu hu omo say omo nye players papa bia na de omo kono omo na be prove mo wrong
Ghana against Panama your first match
you be sure omo no you 3 points aye beje no you 2 goals 3 points
2 goals 3 points
me na me ka kire o yeah Panama for no omo best omo betimi aya so omo be she 1 goal e be 2-1 opa market to
2-1
yeah get 3 points yeah ne wo mo yeah get 3 points you be 6 points in the qualify a group
and your second match England and also
me see you be 6 points near the qualify from the group
you be share England
what does you be share England do you share England do you be 6 points you the be qualify the group
and then what share pet takremu ana
Panama dey we team be no atimi agina Ghana
edin Panama
oh massa na nya asem ne yanka Panama nso ye ka football ne Ghana ye se Panama na no nso ye ba be twe ho da say ye ne wo mo why na performance ye enya asem ne yanka we asem who can England ne Ghana ye ne wo mo bo the same soccer ye kura ye ball na ye ball no ye ball touches ball than England
ye ball dey
touches ball like ye kura ball ye papa eno na ye touches ball
what ball fichire ball da
no me ma ball say school na ball ne frame shamokwele e ka kire o me nya ni packet to awo mu enti se ball na ye ball no me ba hold on SARFO e wa ha o yes sport ka kire ne say o hwe the whole world team be na country be no de Ghana toto the team of soccer ball ye no am ball nyina ye pe e wan
Brazil
am ball to say any ye ball to say the same thing
na time na ball na position be na now
number 7
we a winger
yes
and to me tree
oh me shows this here me crossing seems this here this a mensan can ball
I'll come back to you we'll be looking at the funding aspect of it but give to that to say but also microphone my boy baby aboko there
yes so adom ne mo mpa
good now open ball na me hu se na o ka Jesus mi aso o ka se o ba be cheme ne SARFO Jesus
me ton just enye se me cho me ton faskara me to bi ma
se ko mara dane
men kan se me be che o Jesus
o ka se o be
che na bi sa se me o pe Jesus e na me si yo SARFO me bre o Jesus
na SARFO no ye di ka be che ne bi dida
why na be che ne Jesus enye me na
oba bi water chiman
enye me na me yo oba no me so me din di gift oba no so odi ba ye friend efua enti media ne ka ho ana edim ana asafo enye sa
na yenhwe Black Star Squad ya me what hwem
I think I was flashing me were one of my stations, sister stations. No, I'm not a football fan though, but when it comes to Ghana, every match there, I make sure say me support it with everything, with my soul music, fufu, benkuni, bibi. Because na yankasa as Ghanaians no, you need GDA where your players nimo, and you need GDA where your football team nimo. But football is one of the things I can. Ewo my way mu edi anigye ebre ye pa what you see here. So I don't see why as Ghanaians no yenya gidie wo ye players ni mo because unya gidie wo mu that motivates them. Say no, we have some people behind us who are throwing all their support with energy, with their monies and everything for us to go and do well for our country. By the radio so TV so na ye can say oh we mu de wo ko hwe Ghana match say nwumre ye so omo wo match obi sesemre wa ko pani fufu obi edi dada because o see omo be man broken heart ebe mbo match ni ewie na omo ansha on to me didi biom ya man broken heart en sesemre ko hwe obi oti choba bi didi ndi eji fufu ni so na
eno mfa ho
debi asemka. We are just trying to let the ordinary Ghanaian know say football no di incambo mebre ye Ghana for enti san sem na ye keka no demoralize footballers no
players no
yes demoralize almost say Ghana football de o de koye den na Black Stars no de no mo betumi aye we o mo nko echi o mo bebe fie and all those talks what you say ye nyai na ye mfa gidie bi enter o mo echi so that this time cap no so betumi aba Ghana na cap ba Ghana woni ma de betumi abra Ghana enimonyam shekesi ye pa.
What's the World Cup na betimi aba Ghana?
Na unji Indiana. You as a host, you don't believe in that.
No,
would you unji as a man make?
Oh, Debbie, I'll be.
So you are one of those people.
No, Debbie.
You are one of those people who don't believe in our Ghanaian football.
Unimbom ntra.
Debbie, and you say
unimbom ntra. So unimbom mo anka unkasa say.
Oh, Abochi tie me.
Spain wo ho.
Abochi.
Brazil wo ho.
Abochi.
Argentina wo ho.
Oh, Abochi.
Croatia wo ho.
One day the tortoise will ride on the back of the elephant.
Me fa cho bube no otwi mu.
Me to me nka otwi mu nti na me ka obrofo me nti chechire mu.
And they won't even count you.
Me say one day the tortoise will ride on the back of the elephant. Say who boss Spain din ebo Brazil ni wan. And you don't believe in your own country. You don't believe in your own footballers. The likes of the likes of Semenyo, the likes of
the day you can squad no.
On Kahu, but I want you to believe in them.
Or see the day.
Na say me body dey anya body say my body dey say abobo am Black Stars.
There be a current squad.
Anti-current squad. No, if the likes of Jordan, the likes of Semenyo, the keepers Atizigi and all those people. You don't believe in them. You don't trust in them. Please, let's give some morale to your footballers. No, not this time. No, me just a meto be say 10.
Over 10 na.
Measure ni na every day be ye me call studio measure Ghana jersey when they start the match. They be a measure Ghana. That is what I can do as an individual to support them.
Man penyin say afi yan sponsor air supporters en fanko enko hwe enko support team no. No e den na ka fan.
I would say it's in the right direction because from the one His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, he's leaving a legacy. Any amemo na or bono because from the one we share your ministers ya also cry and sana ya betu MPP for ni the huge elephant size ministerial omodibu o mine by ye hwe or say so ye fi ho no ma independent date celebration na ye wo Ghana ha say ye ne kese wo independent square na sika komo bebre no or say so we share ministers so oti no that even brought a lower cost of VAT ye to toma ministers cry. So say Okasa this time we are not taking Ghanaians huge numbers as say ye kona omo ti ho dada no omo an omo be kwa akoye supporters no I think is in the right direction to save the country some money na yɛmfa share sectors e hu hia say ye de ye ni be ekɔ me ne wo ka say our brothers and sisters who are trooping in from South Africa, there is some funds given to them to survive on for some time. Enya 5,000 Ghana cedis. 5,500. What you see, nyina yesika. Looking at the number of people, many who can say me take care mu ami background. We have some 600 plus also coming in on Saturday. They will also take that money. So when you calculate all that money, and you're monkwa, they've closed registration, but people are still calling to come back to this country. So there is a lot to do for the country. A lot of development is needed from the president and his leadership. And he said, looking at the cost that will be involved now, we can cut it short and then invest it into where it's needed for the development of the country. All right,
Mamina. So Benjamin Asare, Omanpenyin Kasai wabra okupimu UK, and he says that I wouldn't hear woman for supporters and corner say. So ya shebe bia akansie ahodo no beko a 3 centers and supporter bia I didn't beko bia no ya be man baby ada ya man flight ya man aduane di and per every supporter no abind the omokwa ya bebo every supporter who ka buy $11,000 and he thinks say 1 year one man on no on the ticket amount no makwa kwhwe. You think it is a good decision?
Yes, Prof. I agree with the president for once. I think yeah, na ehun she dan hia papa. Say your best sister Ghana for as in the name of supporters. Edo omo akọ to say US and Mexico ne other countries are omo ko bo no ho say omo akọ support to Ghana. Prof. Say president na cancer odika. Because on one kasa no buy an economy na wase ne dada. Then na wasa so sesa Ghana for abo mo kane do mo
wase economy no.
O sa say. Bibia nkoyi.
Den ti na say.
Ye bebe no so. Me chirichiri mu kama ama wate ase. Na o say sesa Ghana for say wo de omo kwa akohwe bo a waste of taxpayers money. And I agree with him. Say this is the second time president no be dia why are they mame. Metimi abona baso ho South Africa for your for mobile last week make as president na bono ho modern to the extent so mbedu ye kra no ya sama wo bibi kakra ebi no mbetimi de afaka akọ mu krum na ombetimi so de start bibi na second one so say yem fa supporters enko na yem pese be kwa akoye krokro de John say yem for mo nko na ya sa be ka kire say oh ye solicit for fans NGOs ni other companies M1 intimi and transport to do no for monko but se wo hwe ko ba bi ti say US abra akabinezi akoye ni program bi wo UK
O2 arena no
yes utimi hu say Ghana for do a na wo ho kra o mo ko che na app kra no na ya de edoso nti se ye ya dwen say ye country na ye ko bobo wo so no ba bi a ye ko no ye betimi ambassadors na omo wo honom no ebetimi ameki sure say Ghana for no omo wo country no mu no yetimi omo papers ye okay ni ade no ye betimi abobo omo ano organize omo ama prof Ghana ye one country bi a other countries na ankasa kro omo pay asem so wo hwe say ye call World Cup countries ni bebre wo honom at a point wo say na omo age Ghana jersey na omo kurukura Ghana flag na omo cheer up because omo nya Ghana for but edin Ghana no kra no omote a omo ye okay with it a betimi anya manfo wo a omo betimi support to Ghana ni akwakoche players na up so I agree with the president say ehun hia say ye besesa Ghana for free hanom e de omo akọ hotel ne pediem omo aduane ye mo omo aduane nyina ye sa mo omo chop money omo besa e de aso mbotom ni ade so say omo anfa back door amfa sika bi ankwa ankohim na ne president aka no wode ye adwuma de a na chese bebo president na ba so say in fact watimi take both decision a yemfa supporters ana Ghana for free hanom nko say omo kwakọ support Black Stars bombe ndi ene ne ya adwen but mimi aba na kasa na ye sports kama eja sports de ye se ke the unity ni ade na eba ka we ye start ye ne ke nyina ya bono sports kama na obi a ehun smoothness level na me nuane
me who say person digress
me digress or can say be na mpese me situate ni ye about the size of government obeka say na ye no osono eda ye diri hunti no or kan elephant aya na nani je ho pa nti oye was elephant size of government prof ya na ma ye ndisivu ye ho sa so oba me district municipal assembly am no kasa sisi ya ye time na ye kasa nadmo director no ne deputy pe and no mo ye district directors and then me no kasa o court district no mo ye wo direct deputies ye wo baako miensa 3 Freganov municipality na check nadmo director o mo nyina nso o mo ye deputy directors no o mo nyina ye me namfofo me no kasa Yewura John Dramani Mahama ne ba mamu all the regional organizers ya presidential staffers ebi sida and ko check presidential staff and status or ne deputy minister nyina with the same level. It is our main cabinet ministers be say less than 60. Na sa wo de no be ye yastic betum from mamu say President Mahama ye lean government or the nipa kakra bi na ebu o ma enye nokre. But people on my body ni kire wa wan kasa kra wo yem bechew nti ya besre ye can sports na wo ba na se also digress ko ba bi na se me follower na just why na sports na ye nyina ye candidate ye na
blasters and the players and appearance fee omoje no obi age $10,000 enso dodo
prof 90 minutes no nema bebre omu se player gina park so bobo ote hanu me ye sure say watiti bia say binumu afamu awu park so nyina
nyabotre me amete yi na me the former CEO of the Chiman City Football Club.
Okay.
And I know what football is.
Yes.
And coining.
Yes. And $100,000 no enyeska bia eyeska nso enyeska bia. Enti no my fire adwin performance no enhu ye o me show Champions League fan na omo ball ye no. Arsenal ne PSG. Arsenal na so omutimi wini ya yesi ye be mu obi a Rolls Royce baako. Each player Rolls Royce baako. PSG for no mu wini cup no each player de $1 million. Meboa. $1 million. Yati ya no $100,000 aye hu amaye na ye kan ho asem because of afen no man no ye developing tia.
SARFO $10,000 ana. $10,000.
Is it $10,000 or $1 million?
No, 10,000. There be appearance. There be $1 million. There be can ye die no.
There be media no. Me can say ye die no na yes me patch say the same players no am Champions League fan no. Ya ma obia $1 million. It is say ye players no ye ma wo mo $10,000. $10,000. It is $10,000 is kabeya. Me kram guys was $100,000.
There be.
Oh, $10,000 is akra. $10,000 is to be honest. It's akra na obi to say Samenyo bobo na so man $10,000 obi on week or just $350,000.
Me pacho
SARFO for here kan semunu players na nkasa na omo bobo no esi abo omo ho bai na ye se omo nkura ye omo betimi abobo na maga na ye ni age
o ka asem bi uzi den
me si sika na e di amo omo dey okay
dey bi uzi man ye fa here anya den
en kan semunu because my young one said $10,000 no e sika convert $10,000 se si abo si na risk
Ghana man e here ye won
e dey na wan se here ye players na omo kobobo no say nipa ba akokora stress e wono so 90 minutes e yifiri no so awuni nipa no ono ankasa ne ode aba na brabom sika $10,000 enye sika bia wa check cd say yan bajo ya he kan obi anti bi enye sika bia enti ya besre moma yemfa odo eni gidie en support players no na wo muntimi nkonko deliver maye na yenyai sa in windows na ye won wo musika ho ena eno $10,000 no we so awo busane say esiamo South Africa no omoje say
there be o me ba cho esiamo South Africa that was in 2010 omoje be 8,000
10,000
nyabotre please
hey see you
2014 omoje $10,000
yes
2022 omoji $10,000 and as see as omo kwakoji $10,000 yes sha no na ye $6,000 and omoji and at 2010 it was around $8,500 and omoji SARFO check the records well
so $10,000 in eso ya tena wa kura che inte ye moderate say prayers ni you okay say ye ma omo $10,000 na it's okay me kura no ese match bia na apart from $10,000 na
say winning bonuses be ho
na winning bonus no dey say nya view
right
nti no mesra mo ma yanya ni
but a quick one who raise the argument we say economy necessary ano enkoye onye na so na den
na economy a yewura John Dramani Mahama eba ya obeto ye a oso obehihye ne ma de amaye amagana for any age ne enya dwumaye or the promises ahodo obe se 5 bi na si Ghana for ani so a ye hwe so de kokoto abade ma no a Ghana for hwe ni mu se sa promises na yewura John Dramani Mahama promise ye no se wode toto akwam no ye ni yi a e yade e beboa o man no sa promises ni na wa fail
enu nti na economy ni nye no
na wo so wo baba amaburu aba benya dwumaye se maburu ni nya dwumaye na se unemployment rate ne ba fam a economy na nkosoro
ba onim se economy ho ye wo indicators bi a aye de hwe
forget it omo ka kire ye se indicators ye re
sa
no obi ni wonu ma ye de indicators ni figures be ye dwuma wo mamu abiemu ye hwe ya setenam ne ye de akasa
anti wasetenam den wasetenam na no
na meto mark kete no na do danko akufo ado time ye 2024 na meto no 9 cedi 30 pesos na ye 13 cedi 50 pesos a masetenam ye better
milk
kete no milk na ideal milk ketwa no na say ye 9 cedi 30 pesos a na say na ye 13 cedi 50 pesos a masetenam ye better se me to kenke 3 cedi na do danko akufo ado time na me to kenke no 5 cedi ne 7 cedis a masetenam ye better prof masetenam ye better se me fa car from Ofanko barrier the cost circle na me to ya 4 cedis na me fa car from Ofanko barrier the cost circle na me to ya 6 cedis a masetenam ye better e dey na ye better metimi dia compare say yewura John Dramani Mahama bae no masetenam aye okay di amame electricity yewura John Dramani Mahama bae wato electricity be mu 24% e ye dey na masetenam betimi aye better Chiremadia president na ayama Ghana for ama ya sitinemu aye better. Chiremi bia na minim.
Ba unim say electricity ho asema okay. The price increases. The cost yenye tua mene wo no. Aban say nim just like fuel.
Na sata na no ye campaign na no se na do danko akufo ado eye wicked. Na electricity tariffs na yatumu no na ne obetumu bia affect ordinary Ghanaian e president na kan yo yewura John Dramani Mahama e kan sa de kire yewura na do danko akufo ado na de na asesa nti na de opeso o kire say fuel any utility service electricity eni wonsam e wansam nti na ye ba betena se hu say enya political parties na anya amamuo no government no and control sa na ma no ba ye de politics wo mamu a ye kon sa pepepe ye nyi bibi enfrim nti na me no ka se so fu adu 15 cedis na fu oba ye no so wo di fu oba afam aba 9 cedis na wo mo se aba papa ye dey aba ama na fu o si dun katia ye wura o ka che se o sole anopa kra na hu ni nzu a wo betimi atofu o na ade bia ohuru wanim because na fu aye fu 9 cedis
ase dun katia kasa
yes o si fu aba fam nti wo kata wani a na wo de fu wani bi ahohuru wani na fu na aye fu nti from 9 cedi na aba papa bae no and they say aba sebi o se we use o mo yastic na che say aba fun mu niati because from 9 cedi they say ko 15 cedis nti prof minima dia e wo mamu hanom a yewura president John Dramani Mahama bae a wayama Ghana fo asetena mu adwo wo mo unless say minua gifty e be ka bia kire me hu ye se wo ka bi na se ye fat ye fast check na ye no credit a Ghana fo nyina be hu nti mesrawo o ma ye timu de ahoguru bi eni so aho kire nko a ene o mo sade LGBTQ+ ya sabetwe
ye beba ho
eno kura ne ade nti mesrawo ye ho kire ye pa ye tik o mamu han ye ho kire ye yie a ye di ye hia edi ya reho
ka se ho kire
na me nya Ghana ni mi fi ko so mo kaya
ana de bi kasa wo hu
de bi na me nya Ghana ni
safo se no hu nkyere no afre se no hu nkyere
no problem wo hu nkyere e bi a wo wo ne wo na asi so e na wo nim ne wo je me yi
baby ame na wo kona
nti aye da na me no nyina akopɛ nya me no ne firi ane safo ene ye ko do me ho
na se wo nim se wo
ye ko ya me wo na atu ama me
tie wo nim se wan kasa no ne ma bi wo ho a wo so teme tete so
sesei
ne ma bi a wo ye e wo so teme twitwa so
me nya ma to ma me ma wo mo no mak bi za
na no odabi se me no na ekoba
na me nti de be si bi na me nti
Benjamin Asari, Mami now say SOMPA 106.5 for God and country city. Now Mami counts a time herbal mixture. And that's what German so. A ye drawer, a ye kama. A drawer, me see a ye kama. Typhoid, a 3D malaria. Join this. Me pacho we drawer ne time herbal mixture. Oya bibi kakra no wabre woje wenje ebusua aye time herbal mixture wo ba wa himfie ho no siesie ho ma ehonye kama se bi mpreduasa se be ma ba won chen kra na okọ a obesa babio ma honye kuma kama enam nsan yade ensansa wo ba ne be ma nyina no e wo se mo bo mo de na mo nom time HH mixture and the capsules in the dear. I know dear crowd dear. Me pacho moi what dear. Moi munim say mo chimpran. Mumma modding na mumpe time HH mixture and the capsules in the beauty. And no pada manumbi and you mena manumbi. Sanu a bar bibia ebe repay ni jebe repay. Bema jinswa na ne bema mu hihye no Johnson ba peace me pa cho wedruane time herbal mixture but what na for weni a chere drugstore pharmacy shop be ben wo na ko time herbal mixture ne time HH mixture ne ne capsules bi ne bo nya den anu kotoko bi a wa 2 me pa cho betimi abomodin afre 0244 17669 Dr. Otafrija number no 02444 17669 time herbal mixture time HH mixture in the capsules ya bada mo se na wi maso asena ya for God and country no bremwo na company kakraka bi hwehwe adwumayefo enti se wawie aye senior high school ukra aye HND and ukra degree this is an opportunity for you. Company kakraka bi share commission based marketers. And but also when it je ho a bomodin tesi anafa okrata bra SOMPA 106.5 FM e wo domi Accra wo de ba wo benya adwuma aye. Commission aye be ma wo no esuye na kai say closing date no 9th June 2026. Maminko na minko tie aye gifty my way
Abuchi before I mention as you know year menua baby birthday say menfa akunya we so wishing I have very happy birthday Comfort Washington. She's a student of the African University of Communications and Business. Nyamensha okoni more a job for all the good things you do for me and others too. Onto nkwandem almost kabebre. Afise say nanta for naba. Happy blessed birthday, Comfort.
Wawari.
Ani wawari. Me fan the second picture no or show ni kawa na nchirel. Ana. Oh. Ana ayen hwehwe ni.
There be o.
Yeah, politics enya wa.
My menka asem nchirel. One will say this is a public platform. A man for she. And you know, it is not me per se, but somebody out there per se. Sure. And yeah, me patron, I've taken you off air. And you know, said the community, you know. Yeah, that's so I worry. But let me also seize the opportunity and wish my sister, my cousin, a happy birthday. Eunice I know today it's your birthday. Let me seize the opportunity and do this birthday wish for you. Eunice Juma was net. Now, as we speak now, no, she's celebrating her birthday today. She's a cousin, a sweet sister, and then would want to seize the opportunity and then celebrate. Once it's not ready, Gifty, let's take a listen to you.
All right.
Okay, so it's ready. So that's my cousin. I know she's not married. Mami Fantuja, Ebiana, one more mushe where platforms, you know. Minia Bano. Minia Bano, no. Eunice, unforgotten country. This one is coming from your brother, your cousin, Koblab, which is you. Happy birthday. Wishing you the blessings of God. And I wish that a year by now, no, Nabibia aye kama. Nyamema usika, nyamema hubain. Na adebia wuhie biano. Nyame enyemao. Have a happy birthday, Eunice Ajaklo. Celebrate the day and say hello to mommy for me. Now, give to my interview.
All right. And then my name is Sister Charity. And she is also a member of the National Communications team. Oya dear pa na obejame. Inti emrepe mu no obe wo so ne voice kakra my ate. But before I go dive into your topics, Nankasa, and I think my brother is getting something wrong here, and I want to put him on the right path. 123 ministers minus 60 ministers. Let's do a little bit mathematics here. Abochi, 5 pen, as I 5 pen, Nanado MP ministers no more 123 minus 60. Ebema ozen. As I remember saying.
2024 now.
Oh, me
and you're 123. 2024. Or more exactly, not ministers, not Romudo Racing.
Me say I asem na me bisano. Enya so Omudo Racing.
Okay, they ben 123. Would have bought
minus 60 ministers.
Ebeka 60 saying
63.
Ebeka 63. And that is what John Dramani Mahama has saved this country. V8 Baku TMA. V8 u kasa no me yedin asem na me bisa we yi anu a ende na ho na me nye nchichire mu no so etiefo tie me aye kasa ye pese omo tie ye no enye se ye nimsu omo nti na ye tena ha ba ye pese ye chechire mu te se aban akasa mafo na omuntie ne ekoso wa ban ne mu John Dramani Mahama osi 123 ministers no ono onfe no nye adwuma because ya no mufo iba ya omudi ye adwuma no omo ehwo hwe so ni omudi ye ne se omo be hye nyankopon bo so omo si asori dan e di ama nyankopon na sa asori dan ne kura na sika omudi was asori dan ne kura no ene yegusu a ye nhwehwemu efa sa aniama ne ho a ye be
enti wuntimi nka so omo edi ses kan
oh relax
get you
me si yegusu tie me si yegusu me nka sa omo edi me si yegusu a ye nhwehwenu
okay
e wo sa sika ne ho
okay
enti ye ne no ade omo ja upon all the monies that were used for the National Cathedral omo promise nyankopon ne kura no omo ja national swimming pool we di maaye Nanado Danko Ekufuado any MPP aban they left us with a national swimming pool. Asariti ha onimpa, he knows about it. He shouldn't pretend. Out of the 123 ministers, no. St. John Dramani Mahama is 60. And I mean, no kase cry. It's not even up to the 60. I kase. Now V8 baku 123. And omo Thomas our ministers yin na ya fuwama omo. Ye bibi ama omo kama. V8 baku ni boy saying. When you multiply 1 V8 by 123, say nana, sikadodwa say nana, echo waste under the leadership of Nanado Danko Ekufuado. And John Dramani Mahama is using 60 ministers. Calculate one price of a V8 times 60. Nesha sika John Dramani Mahama as save diama on my way. Some ministers 123 and Nanado Danko Ekufuado kroya yamo garden boys yamo drivers yamo personal bodyguards ye mo incentive a wo tie kire wo to ade wo dwom ye ti wo ticket de bia 1 cedi 2 cedi a wo sika na edi twetwa sa nkrofo we na so obi aba na o si mete so a na ye kan na o ti ya o si ya obi director or not money. We are not talking about directors. There is a vast difference between directors and ministers of state. He should give us money's directors a salary a directors AJ. No my salary a ministers AJ. Then we do the calculation. Then you job calculation we'll go dive into it and do the real mathematics. Here, na yen hwe sika dodoa NDC aban ba ye nan say ya 1 year 5 months. Abe save country way. He sits here and says he doesn't know what NDC aban abeye. Na ye ya be say or mine. But you see, NPP is good at contradicting themselves anytime they are talking. O kasa no si den John Dramani Mahama say or mine, but obebo na baso say we dia wa ya ade. Nipa na say or mind wi a so or ye bibi a de nti na ebe ya ofe a obeka say wo bo na ba so you are rather contradicting yourself ade ne ya kan say ye. Let's not put politics into our minds na de bi ade ne ye kra na ye beka say enye de bia na ye be ye Ghana ni ye tena ha na say ade ne ikoyi a ye beka say enkoyi for your own personal interest. The bigger interest is for Ghanaians, not you as an NPP member. What he has here?
He makes the point, say, milk ana wotono ebubino. Sabre
sells milk at 13 cities in Ghana here. It's depending on the brand and the location you are buying the milk. Mesuma Mrs. Teisa onkoto milk ni bi brem, and I was specific. Say onto ideal milk, okoye wan yebi. But she got popular. Milk back will be your friend popular. It was 9 Ghana cedi. She got your friend is Kaneshi. Kaneshi was 12 Ghana cedi. What you say? When you ideal milk no somebody, she because he mentioned ideal milk. Ain't na me say onto ideal ni mami na me hu ye nyina ye hu price ni wo. Aha say. You see, am I enti na ho na ye tutu anwea egu Ghana fu ani. Say enye MPP nti NDC inti bibia na ye kan. The last time I was on social media, me I'm a social media giant. Me, uko social media every minute you see me.
On social media didn't you say?
Gift ye nam bedevi. I don't hide behind anybody to do anything. Excuse my language, foolish. I use my real name on social media. Because means Roshi, because me say me here was social media no me here ni according to me here according from, so I use my real name on social media with full chest to face everything I write on behalf of the government. Me say MPP for no they hide behind fake accounts to insult president, to insult judges and all people who are in governance. So I use my real name on social media.
Some now all kinds of say MPP for no use fake accounts home crony, but you have some evidence to that effect.
Oh, we have evidence, a lot of evidences there. Even Ebikra they don't even use fake accounts. Ebikra use their real faces. Ebi to say Baumia Bay Nancy Omuchini. What did she do? And no akra no mo de ne call court or tina care. What did she say? She is still Baumia, but NJB always say Baumia ni de ni be call Baumia fie akotwa picture because sebio also so sans the same no so. You understand? Also so obi obedi boni bia obeya ade enye wo social media bia no ebe wie chire no mo de ne call Baumia or no omo ne na akotwa picture because he will not sit them down and tell them say share there are laws in this country. Ebanu media, social media ni sa niamana. There are laws guiding those you know what he has here. And no kodanchen. My brother here mentioned that onim ni aye wo Ghana has say. Let me put on record say under their leadership food inflation koyes are 28.3%. He is here, cross check. Food inflation under NPP koyes are 28.3%. And then somewhere 2025 year J Abaino NDC Baso a Greek minister Honorable Eriko Poku Basu we have food inflation at drop it 9.5%. I'm sure he's not aware of it, so take record of that. Next time when you are doing your submission, you remember. Yeah, we are currently in Ghana here. under the leadership of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, they declare year of roads 3 times in this country. If my brother here can mention 1 or 2, 3 roads, after declaring 3 times year of road, no, he should mention it and let me know. But under the big push project, no, the Kasua to Takrady all the way road is under construction. The motorway is under construction. Pokwasi road is under construction. And yes, after that, no, some 146 feeder roads have been awarded to contractors. They are raising certificate to go back to the Ejumano. So Bekaya feeder roads need be in some constituencies. And untikra na yetu aba against your parliamentary members bebre. Ewo kromu because 8 years and Ghana for mandate. Say mube sumo minor. You cannot even construct a feeder road. Our mind way.
Debbie, you can't say that because under that, Debbie, wait.
And then I can't say
Debbie. As some now walk maybe I me free buy, you know. Me hunyuma na MPP 4 year.
Information is
Techiman, even from a year, Techiman through Nyabotre. Techiman through Akuma dying to a year Bechim and then to Kumasi. That road, I saw the construction under the NPP.
Was it completed?
It was completed.
How many years or muka so mudi be complete here?
From the American was some. And you can say
their own World Bank Ashanti region, Swame interchange. Were they able to complete it?
And they went to me.
What happened to that? Now say your course ami jemfin lo yi. Come and see Yenuanuma Asante for complaining about Nienti and Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo into me and we.
Number setting.
I don't know, it's for my own consumption. So maminya. What you here? But it was a very big disgrace. What you here to them. Now, let me take him to the almighty Nkukon Kitin. He doesn't know. Today, all households bebre wa Ghana kromu enye Nkukon Kitin way. Sanya be ya yenkra akukọ force free.
What shall say?
Oh, are you not aware?
No, I'm asking. What shall say? You are aware?
We've started long ago. The municipal assemblies have distributed to the various localities. I'm surprised as a host.
So, how many beds have you distributed so far?
I'll get you the figure alongside my.
Because once you know, dear, you should be prepared to get me the number.
Don't worry, I'll get you the figure. What I say, I don't want to lie to you about the figure. I want to be accurate in my submission, so I'll get it for you. Maybe I make get here before we jump into our next topic. Now, let me tell my brother here about the free sanitary pad for SHS students. The free sanitary pad, an initiative that Yaya Mami, Professor Jenna no Poko Ajima, or say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Adia way dia one nya mamia, one nya dear. Menstrual poverty, ewo kromuha. It's a very huge problem. But previously we had first ladies upon first ladies upon first ladies. But Yamami Lodina took this initiative upon her heart and she started it in this country. And you know, Yamami Kunedu Onyani baby koye, onusu yeah the same thing. But how effective was it like today under the leadership of John Dramani Mahama and Yamami Professor Jenna no Poko Ajiman? Ye free honuma school feeding. And then ABOTCHIE unim say SHS students, they have been serving them one hot meal every afternoon.
I know.
Do you know about that? Whose initiative was it? Isn't it President John Dramani Mahama's initiative? Last week, there were videos circulating on social media where SHS students were like, John Dramani Mahama buy a hot meal every day be our SHS. Aside that, no, yes, regular school feeding in the basic school, public schools, no, he came to increase the price, no. What he has here, John Dramani Mahama did all this. Yeah, we are. Yaba ya no yeshebo say yebe cancel E11 betting tax, emission levy or one mu friend no. All these things have been done. You understand? we mention of your friend is saying cancellation of the double track system. Yes, boss say
best distributor so far. You know, the government announced the distribution of 720,000 beds under the program to 13,000 farmers in 12 districts, including Tamale. Distribution has since expanded. Okay, so full program target, it's about 3 million beds to be distributed in all the 276 constituencies. So let's see, we'll do a follow-up on this particular story and then know how the beds are faring in the households now. Yeah, media to Jano or to the farmers now. We'll have to follow up on this story and then get the full details. Yes, so, and see how best. Yeah, and to give you, your time is up, Debbie, no, please, me pacho. You are spoken for 15. No, you are spoken for 15 minutes.
So let me finish. Let me land.
You have 1 minute, a minute.
So cancellation of the free your friend double track system. No, we've been able to take out 99 schools out of the double tracks. You know, as Sisiano, we are preparing to add the rest. The cancellation of the your friend is saying. Double track system no ebedi mu sani aye promise ye no. So this and many more. And His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, the Vice President Professor Jena no Pokwajiman, any ni cabinets for any 60 ministers and 123 and I to me
I mean now I say SOMPA 106.5 FM forgotten countries in exactly 5 minutes to 5. But Mami Cow said Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Or say the end to chronic diseases. Yare kwankwa doko ache ujin wenje. Debi ametina ha meka ho asem e de kirew. Bomodenge na tu America kisia na ko Dr. Edu Boatin Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Se wonim obi a wenya stroke no wakampem. Na se nipa no mudi na chinya onya yaresa. Wodi bomodeng na friend number we sisi amame. 0244 867068. Again, read them on 02742 34321. Doctor Samu friend is here. Obebe fie no wababa hwe nipa ko a wo yade. Say nye stroke mpo na nipa no ayare yade na timi no. Nipa no gise mu pejano na mu de na Africa. Doctor says ah tete ne sa ha wo no. One person will be fame. Mundia mon friend is here with the number no so Dr. Edu Boatin 0244 867068 02742343321. Mu first number where doctors will be fie no aba be hwe the pakon yade. Say wo ba o person fefru efru ni ma be me bi wo ho a yese ne ho nkwaboa no yade a esua entimi shell banyin sen me pacho bomoding na call Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic Jim so ya say wahra obrebo eho aka yare kwankro yade anu odin mudi echinga munya ayaresa Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic say wudi numbers na mabobo no wose fresisi a na muntu nchia nipa ne benya ayaresa na ope eye massaging any physiotherapy ana upe apomuden ho afutu a Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic Dr. Edu Boatin oye ho ade pa so hwe ne chakwan won kran ha the chakwan ewo sphincters kwan no so shell signboard udu sphincters kwan no so a ude bisa se upe bia shell signboard ewo no udu ho a bisa Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic obi abekire obibia wo mo ewo. Now, Minko Benjamin Asare, Ben, now LGBTQ bill, no, the anti-LGBT Q bill, no, now no Friday, and na Ghana, and Rashabi Gafoma it is bill, no, a idea of my passing. I can't sign in. The minority. Yes, there were some exemptions from a bill na woma pass no say obi a wo ofra sa nkrofo no say nipa ni binya wo ha obi a doctor de betimi ahwe no say nipa ni nya asem a or entitled to a lawyer young journalist aye wa hai yes or no wo nsamba ye betimi aka but not to promote. So these are the 3 exemptions. Edom kuma na say womo entiase nema bi ankoye. Ye sori na no pe a ye mampanyin so akasa. Wo say e womo say bill ne de wo ma pass, but there were some procedural breaches according to the briefing na ye de amano no. Na exemptions no. E wo say on betenase na on behwem upon the advice of the Attorney General. Sir, edu baby emu e den kra na obe refer the issue to the Council of State also for an advice. Baby I be do no.
That's all mama how many minutes?
Oh, me ma. 6 minutes to do this.
Okay, so we made the 3 at BBF na ka 3. You see Abochi.
Yes.
Ya amamu IFO. Ewo mamu ha. A whole government communicator. Minua ba gift. Say ya dia you are John Dramani Mahama bae. Why within 1.5 years awenya. Minua na asem wotimi ka kire me say enkokon nkitenkite. Asem nkokon nkitenkite Abochi. But
that's one of the things he says.
I'm even shocked.
Enkokon nkitenkite.
Omo ankasa omo communicator ba ko say sa program no from the aba na useless. Yansen bi enim.
Why na cancer?
Ma send ama o phone so NDC communicator.
There be a friend say.
Root. Ni di no na ka ho no wa be. Me say ma send ama no you can watch and play it for every
me patcho wait.
I don't think you know all communicators.
Me patcho
I don't think you know all communicators.
Root no or a member of the national communication team of the NDC.
Check here me the amount.
Oh, na me bisa wasam na wetie.
What that national communication because we don't have all we NDC doesn't have only national communicators in the Kasamomo. You have regional communicators. That don't you know?
No. And you know, me patcho, please. Me patcho, gifty.
You are distracting.
Gifty, please. Gifty, Kasano. What? Debbie, Gifty, your mic is on. Today, okay, I'm enti ma minti
o yo ba enti no on say me ya na me respect ma pa enti do and heckling with a friendly one no problem
about you respecting we are putting the facts down.
Me patcho Ben ma minti you have the microphone.
It's on social media and I've given you an evidence. I've forwarded the video to you. You will check whether say near America no a concocted story na me ma create you will see me say NDC communicator or same kokon kitinkiti project na yewura John Dramani Mahama de bae no se binyansa biye nim enso a communicator national communicator a wote ha wo kasa ma ban se ejapade ana adwuma yewura na John Dramani Mahama obae wa yedi bi ene ye nkokon kitinkiti
ba say adepa
me see the communicator say ye useless it is a me amete hai uba of anko no for e ho na mete assembly members are omo na ye hodu omo say omo na ye omo gina ono ma electoral area
but Benny you see in the country that we live in every year biano we spend about 8 billion
oh the time never ma
we spend about 8 billion on food imports alone of which a year poultry account and government initiatives say okay sabredi o maya yen kokko o maya yen nkoko na nkoko no ebebua ma the import of poultry into this country no esobeti
a whole
me so apart from the eye organic I don't know her una can say NDC communicator for you no you don't think it's a good
but you are not being fair to me. I've forwarded the video to you. You are telling me say you don't know her. Men America. Listen to the video. Now she nipa say you born this way wine. So why are you saying you don't know?
Yeah. There are countless occasions ewo Ghana ha obi etimi sheda say oye NDC ni okasama NDC ni ubekom no nya NDC ni obi so timi sheda say oye MPP ni okasama MPP ni enso ubekom no nya MPP
so
ni.
So what I say obi timi sheda ana on sheda no asem na meka no me pese wote ase say eye nokore na meka what I say nipa na o kasa no say wa sheda so oye NDC ni ana oye MPP ni eno no nya me case
Kevin Taylor MPP ni
Oyandisi ni Kevin Taylor na akan publicly say Oyandisi ni ono ne ma hold on what the asem about hold on o say ono ana the president Mahama eba power ono Kevin Taylor ono ma president Mahama be ye president e wo Ghana ha ono ene be decide obi a obe succeed John Dramani Mahama won't ye
matse
nti oyedi ani Is it not an NDC person?
And you share mo atade no car be in the party card I don't know if it is true there's a party card and they are very authentic, you know. Say say video.
Men ka say ne wo kan nye nokre. Ne me ka about Kevin Taylor no so to say nokre.
Okay, so let's come back to them.
So I'm telling you say me nia be better ha no. Yes wo mo ne yewura na John Dramani Mahama president. Eba ya waya ade otimi ka ye nkokon ketenkete. Wo kura as a fantastic host. Oh, sweetheart.
That wasn't the only thing I mentioned.
Ni awo boy ye ni nyina ni ehia be na
me pacho time no ho.
Don't enya me na wo ka.
There be me pacho. Ben my yen switch to these anti-LGBT, you know, because time no echo.
No.
Switch, mommy.
No.
Why? And you not you.
No.
And this how they won't can.
And my obani intimidate you.
Ben, Debbie, I take offense. Debbie, please.
I apologize.
Please.
No, I retract.
Ben.
I retracted it. Please.
What's it?
I'm taking it back. I'm okay.
They both taking it back.
Oh, I said I'm sorry. I'm taking it back.
What chibu?
Matria side.
And why
So the best thing is one man time. I was here and I'm me be a shit or catch them some maintenance. So I'm expecting you say manin can anuntum. That is the fair of the game.
That's what can run to.
Yes, I feel what can run to mamin kamasem. And she cannot direct me to say whatever will please her. And kokon ketekete okay ana wanka.
Okay.
It is wakasa wakan yama bebre. I don't na make kokon ketekete. How can she tell me say and yama bebre no okay no na menka? Is it how you want to teach me how to communicate? What can kokon ketekete? And I'm even sad they say we can kokon ketekete because we cry host no can say kokon ketekete kwa
I knew of the lunch, I knew of the pilot, but I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir. Actually,
and kokon quick thing. Say see anka say he pa na betimi akwa abon say ye nkoko tira mani pa bako.
And ye be lines to ma.
Nana do dan kwa Kufuado. Ne 1.5 year no oko 2 years no. Na wo bie wa no say ye kasa ye ka free SHS. Restoration of teacher training allowance. Ayewura John Dramani Mahama any NDC chairmu. Restoration of nursing training allowance. Ayewura Mahama any NDC for chairmu. Na ye kan na do dan kwa Kufuado. Eniema oyeye. New sand taxes. Aye abolish ye. Eniema na do dan kwa Kufuado. Eye ya no oko ni 2 years. Enyam kokon ketenkete asem. Eye mediocre, kokon ketenkete no. Eye mediocre ya. Enye niema se ye de ba se ya dia. Ya ma utumi se brabe ye no. Eno wo be ba be ti won yi se ma ye kokon ketenkete.
Okay, so Ben, let's come back to the issue as thing.
LGBT.
Yes.
You see, yes, it's a bibia nkoka papa. Papa na enye dey, enye dede. Me pacho, sata mo na yewura John Dramani Mahama. E wo opposition no. No se be na ya pass wo parliament na nanado nye dey. Pacho no se nanado nye dey.
On sign
be no. Whether say good or bad, once a parliament a pass no, e say nanado dan kwa Kufuado ye dey. E sign. Sam George ka say President Mahama will know peace. So wobabem na sasabe na nanado dan kwa Kufuado an sign no. So President Mahama an sign he will know no peace from Ono Sam George. We were all expecting say sa bill na 8 parliament e pass ye no yewura John Dramani Mahama ba 9 parliament no the same bill no oba be sign
but unim say bill bia no e will expiry
no expire from 28 parliament and about 9 parliament it is a bill na we say expire no again na bill na who can say na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo sign no the oba why amendment wom
ono no why amendment na parliament na amendment
sometimes ya na mama conversation no parliament says that time na Nana na net parliament
so there be parliament na ye
no
and
bill parliament no
that bill was signed February 2024
yes
and almost signs our bill
yes
almost passes our bill
yes
and almost the mama paying say on sign and ehun sense be sorry nyabotre
be anywhere call Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo also on sign osi a clergy no anga njira omo se bibie ni wonu mo a oba ye no record wa obeto ye no bibie ni wonu mo e call Nana do also on sign enso ebe o mamu ha ma Ghana nyini bi ate se Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo mpeso obe sign be no one sign no LGBTQ+ no ososo wajitum Sam George say sa 8 parliament no sa be no Kenya fo efre wono Sam George says abe na omo de sponsor call parliament no omo mfama omo enti omo je ye no omo sesa Ghana and omo di Kenya say ho and omo pass ye no omo use say there was no wrong with the bill so enti and na yewura John Dramani Mahama bae afa dia sebe o NDC fo hu say sa be na no omo de ahye Akufo-Addo kon say on sign na nye be papa nene de omo bae no omo hu say be na ese ye bibi 1 2 3 wo ho ansa na timi asan dishonesty nyatwom atro and my politicians they be I am you say politics kura we no kura ne you so your politician na ne ye kaka sense mfa wo unim sade na ne wo ho no enye best to the nation wo say Nana do so on sign wa baba mu a the same parliament no wo ba ye no sa be no eno ansa wo kwa abekwa relay the same thing na 9 parliament no the we are now eager to pass no na wa pass na baba ye mra but say no mo ye gymnastics as the president na sha da be ka kire say communication expert na ha no play no process no kro o mo fa mu no there are lapses any breaches entinya dia wo no kro no oba mo asa akwa dey asa akwa om dey be bad time om boa me say these people they are dishonest people
enti om sign president on sign
what they say no abangba speaker of parliament
na machie no
aso no kro om pass ye wante onim waso onim o speaker se ben ye pass ye no ono na we speaker of parliament no ono kro onim what we radio so how dishonest and how scammers can you people be?
Mami now say Benjamin Asare now saying and can Mami count say 21st clinic. The sciatica commander or tia sciatica yadie no. Ama sciatica yadie ne yira. E de pachote ben kan na nyume na sciatica yadie ne bi wo so a. 21st clinic nkuto na obetimi akọ. Ye ka sciatica yadie na. Ukwa Facebook wo sisi a. Once a sciatic nerve no. Aso na chika say. Enam ne tumponum apie de sirem ena ba pie ne nase ekoba no sa na wodan bakoya woya endin say obi ato aduro eye yade eye sciatica yade ena so na mu na clinic ko a wetimi aye santwetwemu yi eye 21st clinic the whole of Africa so wonnim na sciatica yade echew na wodi ko ba bia yaresa wanhwe wonya Aji 21st clinic. Shusha 21st clinic ewa Accra, Tantra Hill Runabout. Tema, omo Roman asonda nechi hoa. Kaswa omo New Market obum kwa no so. Kumase obahu omo ehwian overseas. Baby SOMPA FM wono. Sunyane omo ne Regional Hospital. First gate no de di enhwe ni mu. Tachiman baby na GN Bank e wono sa dan no wa eho na obahu 21st clinic enkransa obahu omo enkrankra park children's park ni nchengwa takwa womo eye low cost baby SOMPA FM e wono takwa de obahu omo efie kuma no banan Texas station 21st clinic e wo brekum go so and I'll boise. Bomoding na from 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Gifty, you have 6 minutes. Meet you.
He did more than 6. So
Patrol, you have 6 minutes. I don't have time.
I was calculating the time.
Please, you have 6 minutes. I don't have time.
Let me put on record here once again, sir. Agbangbagbi never said he isn't aware when the bill was signed. When you take a critical listing to Nia Bagbi Kayene say, or see Oja bill ni mo say, Omunye then deliberate on the bill. What he has here? No more consider Nia maybe.
Meet you.
What he has me ano na me person on here because he said say or see onim no tie wo radio so how can a whole speaker of parliament say onim no tie wo radio so he should visit the video na ontie ni aye papa ne kan ye ni yie ansana wabetutu ahwe egu Ghanafoɔ eni obetwa ntro akere Ghanafoɔ oka say ojama omo say or another engagement fufuro. So they should consider the bill, no? But he was surprised how fast the bill was passed in Parliament. He never said he wasn't aware. That one should be on record. Yefri Honuma, Ghanaians gave Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Bawumia and the NPP leadership 8 solid years. They gave them mandate, not only the mandate, but they gave them opportunity with a whooping majority in Parliament for 8 years, no? That they had everything at their disposal. They can pass that bill and assent to it. By the end of it took the executive secretary of the president, the then president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, to write a letter to a constitutional office holder. Say, Omo sign she. They will never sign that LGBTQ when it was passed in Parliament. Now, let me also educate the public on this. Article 1992 Constitution, Article 106. Emayeti asie pefe say, ansana executive secretary, ana president. Ebe throw letter to a constitutional office holder no enye na kire say ade na esi no ano ye dimpans and obe throw letter e akoma no as executive an executive secretary to the president. But in this case no, this is a family value bill. Ehia Ghanafoɔ nyinaa, ehia Christoni, ehia traditional leader, ehia Muslimi ni.
Me so enye just family value bill. Human sexual rights.
Very well. That's and see, no, ehia Ghana ni, ehia Christoni, ehia traditionalist, ehia Muslimi ni, ehia all other religions Ghana kromuha. But what did we see? We saw that they neglected the Article 106 of the 1992 Constitution. And your friend is saying, Executive Secretary to the President wrote a letter. Eddie Komo said they will never sign. What changed? Executive Secretary nebeyesa, and at the same Constitution also can say the President have 14 days. Ewo Ghana mremu say the same Article 106 ne say president no ebe to me I review sa bill na beto ni table no so no na what they are sending it back to Parliament. Ama Parliament as atinasi I shall say oh president review we na answer no be sign no ohun say 1 2 3 4 e was say ye den ye yi free ho no mu ana e was say ka ho na sa beda ni table so bio man answer no be sign. But he overlooked all those things. He overlooked the constitution that is abiding him as a president, that is abiding Parliament, that is abiding the judicial service. And they couldn't sign a, Let me refer you to 4th March 2026, Joy News Online. Now go read this article. No, recently there was an issue at the financial ministry.
Gifty, you have 2 minutes.
Don't worry. When I say this, you can even cut me off. I'm fine.
All right, that's fine.
4th March 2026, finance ministry, something went on there. If Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and Bawumia had signed that bill way at their time, they were going to lose money. And now that is why they didn't sign the bill at the time. So say John Dramani Mahama Aba no Omar Passy bill no awaiting him to assent to the bill. What is the NPP's problem? Niama we nyina ka ho na Ghana ni no koto aba editi omo a whooping margin of 1.6 million votes. Today they have 38. Even with the 38, they won't keep quiet. They won't be mute. For John Dramani Mahama, who believes say LGBTQ plus is not part of our moral rights.
Mamina says SOMPA 106.5. Maminfa callers kakra. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me pacho wana menene kase wadaruma.
Me pacho unya baba kope.
Nana let us say it's NGO.
Yami adum. Pacho mamentia me incoming president Bawumia baby obia me tiano. I mean, Tia Jombodu, Hadia Safi Mohammed. I'll say, Mahama Bayano, the ministers, 1 year to 60 plus, let deputy for no say, or Bukra with the deputy for me, almost so, I say, oh, Ghana for no, they say, you won't answer. Yeah, no one and slow every day so. I'll say, I could father buy and 1 year pint. Oh yeah, Papa to fire most wasting. I go for why yet the baby na and northern region. Why yeah, ho way and not why yeah. And to know actual Ghana for the second year
Mammy Nas, why?
If I tell Tadia now we are the element in you.
Oh, now
the set to watch out.
Yeah, but I say hello. Yeah, me pacho wana menene kase.
Me pacho Frank Nero new Dominion Mayo.
Okay, Frank Nero, wadaroma mami ntio.
Yo, anopa anyimri, mami pakwanya banya islamintia, domi kwa binya deputy organizer. Do the two John Lakabo. Me pacho ene ebreneti ame wo ho. Mo banka munko the street mami. Matimi ko the street be papa na ya dey na me chia no.
Okay.
That's one man. Dunia. Oba no. Why ya the papa bra upon one on for the market. Now almost a month for boy bonabaso. Rob, but be more the market. We will speak. I can see I'm the market.
So I would be more domi market. And a man or more domi market, no more bobana baso.
Almost bonabaso, papa, home beside say, hey, now what penny, and I'm the one more share. Kakapen penny, Unina, Esiwa, Drena, and Umadi. Oyandisini, Shempipini now, Kasa, Papa Bim was in Woody. And for Babisia, we NDC, Shenukura, or Kachek Dana for NDC, Papa Mahama and Credini, the Washington NDC communicated seminars or mechanical. All I know fear is here, people was 1 year, 2 years, 30%. Papa Mahama, the 1 year, 3 months, that do 65%. What the contract in my contract, the acquiring my contract, I mean, once the grow PROF our years of journey. Would you want that to say, Papa?
Mamina say, oh, Brenna, hello.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, good evening, Pachawana Meneka.
I want to tell you this time.
Bebacho me hoye, udini be.
That of your young party. Media free from African Tomato.
Africa ko wenim. Africa ko wenim.
Yeah, they back on the Uniano Becasa and you be and your percentage in Nimuana. I will not say a cat or President Mama Bayes and a cat. Into your ban again, why? Uniabano, one of Nokas and fine Wakata will defend it, Lula Mohammed, and why any time one. No moment, the person can say, what can you, Mahama? Said no more year to no more fine country. No one sign said was shed and look what to say. One not any time, you know, one sign, yes, one sign. Name one yet no more year to one so warm. You have to attach what the command lawyer, so yes, let me when your lawyer, one day by your own side,
may I say hello, good evening. Me pacho one minute say. Me pacho one minute say. Elliot, big say, Bachoko in him.
Law is the law. Many are himself as a mama over science. But yes, empties, no for any man. Master Ghana for we are not happy for way normal behavior because that gay issue way you end this scholar communicator tested a Gina ho at the year Capetia Akufado. Nana. Many are Papa Mahama. Fine, or some Mufa example parliament beyond master is opportune. But Omudipa Manasayamaya.
May I say hello, good evening.
Prof.
Yeah, me bacho one a minute. Collins, calling him why? Collins. May that say pass by why? Me said any break. Why? May that say Collins. And you know, Bushian for okay, let me take this call up. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, Pacho. Dini baby, I'll catch free. Me that's it. May I say. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me pacho one have another kasi.
Why wow this year kafia.
Hey, na mummy no idea. Me pacho ko enim never been shared any time.
Yo ma be bo e friend say Benjamin Abaso. Oba de auto momoni auto to. Benjamin, why am I? Ye best say o ma pani mama. Sa be na o say o ma pass ya o kan wa sem say oba o be man lawyer no ma hwemu ne ade ade na o ka say ye be sa de akọ parliament prof on the job. Abutira o sesika. Said be ya o mo ma ntino.
Na o pa. Akafia. Meet you. Call him.
Me say I can prof on the job. Said be ya you be just ka ba o ma because o papa say pa ya ya nana do ye ya NDC ni bi o do me ebukmai o say nana do ba wa service. If you are banko e ko pass club ko kwase e ko amasaman. How dey good that part so. Why you pay a from any other kama wo ba go for so frank and wo nya we no
Mami Nase, me fa last caller. Hello, good evening. Me pacho me hoye o. Wana. Okay, me pacho ko enim. Ko enim me nibre.
Me pacho wo kra me kan say. Abochi me bo President Mahama Abaso now. But this is an na no eno. Me sere no. On the test so me born Abaso. But asasa no. Na ye say president in sign. On sign o be sign. E dey be na be ya boa o man. Aya sum kan. Bibia mo o man, my mom me enko keka ho asa. So be sign o on sign o. E mo o man no. Na yen ke so nko ya nim na asa de wo gi ho akinyi. O sign o wan sign o ko fa bi ma be na abre o man.
May I say, Ebusha for Hannah Mrema, Quaima, Yeri Jumedi, your friend Cobla Bucheke, Prof. Yamia Duma, Ochina, Yabesang, Asia, Yakramuna. Yes, sorry, hot bite news. Ebawa Quaim.